could escape his poverty life and turn to become a wealthy man. One day, Marlin decided to sail overseas far away so that he could help his mother, so that he could do exactly the same what his mother did to him. While Marlin was preparing, the ship docks at the island. Marlin said goodbye to his mother. Bye, Mom! Marlin's mother said too. Bye, son. While Marlin is sailing overseas, Marlin's mother for days, every day, looking at the sea, wishing that one day Marlin returned to his hometown and live with his wife happily. For several years, Marlin became a wealthy man with a rich wife. One day, Marlin decided to return to his hometown to show his wealthiness to the village and prove his mom wrong that he could escape his poverty life and became a wealthy man once. Then, the ship docks at the island. Marlin returned to the island. The villager was shocked after seeing Marlin became a wealthy man. Marlin's mom was overjoyed, so he hugged Marlin. Oh, my son! But Marlin did not welcome him overjoyed. He pushed her to the ground and said, I'm not your son! Marlin's mother was shocked. My son! Marlin's mom took care of him all the time, but the attitude he gave to her is not good. Marlin then said this to his wife. Hey wife, let's go out of here. I think this is not the place that my mother was located. Marlin goes away, leaving Marlin's mother nailed to the ground. Crying and sadly, Marlin's mother prayed, oh God, if he is really my son, then turn him into a stone. While the bright skies in the sea, it turned to a storm. Oh, help me! Help me! Why is it being a big storm? Then the ship got destroyed, throwing Marlin into a small island in the shore. While Marlin was unconscious, he slowly turned into a stone. Oh, why is my body being stiff? Realizing his mistake, he quickly wants forgive from his mom. Mom, please forgive me. I'm sorry. But it had consequences that turned him into a stone. I'm sorry, Mom. I am your son. Then, it now known in West Sumatra, it known by the story with an arrogance and disrespect. Moral of the story is listen to your parents' order, respect your parents, gratitude is the key. Every action has consequences. Remember